Hey everyone, in this video, we'll be going over a strategy for trading options using the bull-put spread. Before we get started, it's important to note that options trading can be risky, and it's crucial to educate yourself on the different types of options and the risks involved. Step 1, educate yourself. Firstly, it's important to understand how options work and the different types available. For this strategy, we'll be focusing on selling vertical puts with the bull-put spread. This is a type of option strategy where you sell a lower strike put option and buy a higher strike put option at the same time with the expectation that the underlying asset will rise in value. It's also important to understand the NDX or the NASDAQ 100. This is the index we will be trading in our Discord. The NDX includes the largest 100 non-financial companies listed on the NASDAQ stock exchange. So understanding its behavior can help inform your trades. Step 2, fund your brokerage account. There are a variety of brokerages you can use to execute this strategy, but we recommend Thinkorswim, Tasty Trade, or Webull. I do want to note though that Webull requires a minimum of $2,000 to trade the vertical spreads. If your account falls below that $2,000, you will not be able to use this strategy. Step 3, set your goal and your model. Before you start trading, it's important to set your risk and your ultimate goals. This will help you take emotions out of the trading and stick to your predetermined plans. This is a crucial step that can help improve your trading psychology. Step 4, turn on the BTS Alerts channel's notification. Be sure to turn on notifications in Discord on your phone settings and turn on the BTS Alerts channel notification. If you are using a mobile device, long hold on the BTS Alerts and scroll down to the notification settings. Then click all messages. This way, you'll be notified when there is a potential trade opportunity. If you're using your desktop, all you need to do is double click on the channel and find notifications and make sure that they are on. Both your phone and Discord need to have notifications on. I also like to use persistent just so that if the notification goes off, I don't miss it. Step 5, set it and forget it. Once you receive an alert, it's time to set your trade. Sell the options contract and receive a credit, not a debit, before submitting your final trade. Set your strikes 10 points below the alert price and round down to the nearest 10. For example, if the alert price is 11,554, you need to round down to 11,550 and set your spreads to the 530 and 540 strike price. You'll also be selling these contracts for $5 a spread on average. So that means that we don't want to drop below selling these contracts for under 475, and on average you'll probably be able to get, if you're going to go above 5, around $5.25 a contract. So be sure to check prices and set them before submitting your trade. If you're new to trading, consider paper trading first to get some experience. And there you have it, a step-by-step guide to trading options using the bullish turkey alert systems. Remember, options trading can be risky, so always make sure to educate yourself and set clear goals before jumping in. Thanks for watching and happy trading.
Just also keep in mind, if you are going to be doing the movements like this, go for it, but try to keep the movements more closer to where you think.
Wow, we're at 25K. Bro, we're at 25K, bro. Dude, my stat guy just said it. And there's 25K.
Yeah.
Let's go, baby. Oh my gosh, I can't
And the moment's
believe it.
recorded.
Wow, there it is. Wow, that's so live. Amen. Oh man, that's so encouraging.